So we know that the 22s and up, what is it, 20 or 22s and up have remote start on the Toyotas. But why does it work the way that it does? I don't understand. First of all, it takes too long. Second of all, the minute you touch something, it's over. Like the engine shuts off, you have to start it right back up. Like, I don't get it. Look, I can remote start it while I'm in a car, right? You got to press it 3 times and hold it. This is a Toyota Tundra, by the way. 1, 2, 3. It's starting. See how long it's taking? It just started. Now, if I was outside and I did this, and I would have pressed the unlock button, the engine would shut off. I can press right now, it's probably gonna shut off. Unlock. Why did it just do that? And like, I've tried this on the Camry. There's 3 Highlanders over there. It does the same exact thing, right? I'm gonna remote start it again. I'm gonna do it from outside this time. I'm serious, no other car that I've been in does this, right? You know, remote start it, it's off. Right? You start it up, right? Now let's say, okay, it's warmed up a little bit. I got the key with me, put the key in my pocket. Let me go touch the door handle. I ain't touch it yet. I don't know if you can see inside of there. You can't even see it. It's crazy. Oh, there you go. The RPM gauge, right? I'm gonna touch the door handle. That mug just cut off. Then it has gas in it, obviously. Like, it has enough gas to stay on. But like I said, I don't get it. Toyota, can you answer this question for me? Like, I don't understand.